Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces of me to replace the broken pieces of you. Tearing out pieces. Alright y'all, so we back and we going ziplining again y'all, but this time in Puerto Rico in the forest, national rainforest. But it's no fucking way to park.
Park right here.
Okay. Well, we're parking in some fucking woods. Oh.
You should have. We just went up a mountain, okay? This is a fucking mountain.
Yeah, we got to the rainforest. Y'all, we supposed to be going to the rainforest this week. We can't go jet skiing because they fucking sold out and we didn't pay for it before them. So yeah.
Video. I thought it was a picture.
So we just got done ziplining. It's so beautiful right here. Oh my god. We in the rainforest, y'all.
Freaking love it.
Babe, how was ziplining?
I think zipline off everything. I ain't gonna lie.
You what?
I fuck with zipline. I think that's our favorite thing right now. Shit.
It was tiring. I'm sad, y'all.
Yeah, going up them stairs. Ladders.
They got ladders, but it was fun.
Yeah, it was most definitely fun.
Y'all look at the really in the rainforest. Crazy.
Well, I thought I just heard something in the movie.
I'm like, okay, so I'm going the right way because I don't see nobody, hear nobody.
I'm sure, like, man, I don't see nobody.
Yeah, they left us. We gotta wait. That ain't good.
Bro, I'm hearing shit. I thought it was just me. These ain't trying to take us over these holes.
We can ride to our car, but we can't stop here. We gotta take the equipment there. Oh.
No, it's cool. We ain't gotta walk.
Right, okay. So DeAndre said, I can't talk Mexican. I told him, yeah, you go 2.4 kilometers that way, and you'll run right into it.
That's racist.
That's not racist. I just like they fucking accent. So I want to talk like it. It's not racist.
But you trying to.
I promise.
Don't sound like.
Promise. You gotta go that way. You gonna run right into it. You gonna run right into it.
You sound like an American.
I sound like I'm from Mexico, but I went to American. I got like my English, so I kind of like.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, no, you there.
Like what they call that? A Mexican American. I don't know what they call
You a Mexican American. You American. They be like, you from America. You not from here. You not from our culture. You think they don't like them motherfuckers from America? They like that lady who I Uber. She was like, no, I go to the States to visit. She's like, go to the States just to visit. I'm like, okay.
You sound Jamaican, okay?
No, Jamaican.
Yeah, Jamaican.
Well, baby, they call me Jamaica. People be thinking I'm Jamaican. Cause I want us to do this. If we don't do this, we missed 2 things, really 3 that we could have did. Cause we canceled snorkeling because of DeAndre.
You ain't cancel snorkeling.
Start right here.
What you doing?
Oh, excuse me, did you guys go to the waterfall?
No, we couldn't make it.
Oh.
They had the gate closed at the top.
Oh, so they're closed?
Yeah, the park, you have to make reservations online.
Reservations online?
I think it's recreation.gov.
Okay.
And you go to recreation.gov and there's slots you can pick for what day you want to come. And you have to buy reservations.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. That's what happened to us.
That sucks. I got 7 in the morning, but I would cry. We ain't gonna just get we could have did snorkeling, but DeAndre said no.
I said, I don't know. I was kind of nervous.
Oh my
to be
God.
swimming with some turtles and fish.
Like what you went horseback riding, you was nervous about that, but you got through it.
Right, but I'm saying if you would have planned it and did
you
it.
said, woo, babe, don't. You too close, baby. You too close. Come on, let's turn back around. Ooh, baby.
With a new language or something?
Catch you later, my Slater. Y'all look at this. It looked like fucking animals, like they did like cut down the trees and they like in shapes of animals. No, it's just literally trees like in the middle of a fucking empty land. I would show y'all, but I have to walk through that damn woods and I ain't doing that. Alright, bye. What's up, YouTube? So we back. We actually found another waterfall, so we going up the freaking mountains.
Hopefully they don't got the gates locked.
It be scaring me. You say it's open, but we'll see.
No.
We see a couple of cars like coming down from here, but it's just DeAndre that's scaring me. It's dragging me.
How? I'm doing 20 miles per hour on the windy road.
That's 20 miles per hour too fast.
That's the speed limit.
Baby.
The fuck? That's it. Mine.
Look at these fucking roads, bro. Let me put my hoodie on.
Okay, te vete con Dani. Vamos. Tenemos la foto mejor.
Don't get in that picture.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay. It's okay, Papa. It's okay.
This is a nice view. I like this. I just hear a lot of stuff in these things. In these trees and shit. You hear it? Ooh, this is beautiful though, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. You got that shit on too, the goat. I see why El Chapo came out here to live. You had beat him.
In Puerto Rico?
No, I'm just saying he was in the mountains. He was in I forgot. But shit, this is a good place to motherfucking hide out. Shit, ain't nobody really trying to come through these woods. Camouflage. Huh?
Look.
Look at that. This is so beautiful.
Where's my phone? You got your phone? You got my phone?
That's your phone.
I really want one together. I don't know how to do this. Anyway, so we couldn't get nothing to eat, right? Because everything closed at 8. They say it closed at 9, but it closes at 8. If you come to Puerto Rico, they are lying. Shit closed at 8. Make sure you eat before 8 o'clock. So, we couldn't eat before 8. Because they saying like, I'm sorry, we closed, da 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 da. But we ended up getting some churches because that's fast food and they closed at 9 and they was in the long ass line.
What's wrong with my baby?
So, they only had a few options, so we ended up getting, they said a chicken burger was available. So we ended up getting a chicken burger. Y'all, these Spanish people is so crazy. I've been my chicken burger, my chicken sandwich already. Now DeAndre gotta taste this chicken sandwich. Just bite it. Don't even look at it. You gotta bite it.
Chips on it? Who the fuck put a chip on the fucking...
That's how they sell it. That's how they sell their shit, y'all.
What else on this one?
That's how they sell it.
And it's a motherfucking...
They sell chips. They put tortillas. They put tortillas on their...
How it taste?
It don't taste that bad. But I took some of my chips off because it don't taste that bad. These fucking Spanish ass... These Spanish people, they like what they like, I guess. They try to be so fucking different from America. Like, they trying to be so different. Oh my god.
This shit weak as hell, bro. You put ketchup in there or some shit.
Oh shit.
I don't want no punchy ass chicken sandwich, bro.
I'm really it is what it is. At this point, I'm ready to go back home, yeah. I'm ready to go back home. Oh my fucking god. I'm cook my own damn meal. Fuck
yeah, I am too. Shit. I'm ready to cook myself. I don't even want to eat out no more. I'm so serious.
Bro, this shit is pissing me off. I'm ready to cook my own shit. Cook my own damn food. What the fuck you talking about? Alright. Look at this shit, y'all. Everything fucking closed. Look. Just look. Look. They talk about they open. They not open. You closed. Closed. Talk about open. The only thing that's open is Walgreens. And they closed at 11, she said.
Everybody gotta be in
but the pharmacy closed at 10. But that's the only place. If you not get, look, closing. Ugh. This shit beyond me. I guess we got what we got. Alright.
What's up, YouTube? So it's your boy, we back, and this is our last day in Puerto Rico. As you can see, I got my bae with me.
Boy.
As you can see. Yeah, we finna go dirt bike riding, so.
That look big.
That look big, them titties look big. That look big.
I do look big.
Anyways. We about to go ATV riding.
Yeah, we had just ate.
Yeah, we had some fast food. What is called? Sabono? What's it? It was fire.
Sobone.
It was so fire. They got like this little chicken meat sandwich. So fire.
Yeah.
And it come warm and it's spicy too. Girl, I ain't break your glasses. If you better win.
But the food that we did be eating, like at them different restaurants, you know, not like the local fast food restaurants, but you know, the food that we like, Puerto Rican food, is really good. Like, I never knew like they had like chicken empanadas and like beef empanadas and stuff like that. I thought all I knew was apple empanadas, and that's because from Taco Bell.
Yeah, and that's
all I knew from apple empanada. So when I asked empanada, he was like chicken or beef or he said empanada. Oh, but let's try chicken.
Hey, we spin back for that motherfucker.
Yeah, like,
bro.
That's good, but
We got to walk into our car. We eating it. We like, We got back in the car. We went right back. Cause it was fire. It was really good. And it was a local spot. And like, but this what I would say, like, when you do go like to like San Juan or Puerto Rico, try like a lot of local spots, cause you have a lot more fun and whatnot. So yeah, and then the food tastes better cause it's authentic and it's fresh. Man, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I'm still a little drunk for last night.
Yeah, so yesterday we had met our roommates like on the last night. We wish we met them like at the beginning.
We could have met them on the first night, but we ain't never go out there. Like we was contemplating, like should we go out there? That I even put our ear to the door, like we should go out there. We was drinking too, and like they was out there drinking too. So like, and it so happened like we meet them on our last night, like. It was just crazy.
Everybody was leaving like today.
Yeah, like we all was leaving on the same day. So it was just so convenient. And then like we end up meeting like then everybody that met in that complex and everybody that lived in that complex, we was just kicking it that night. Like except like one couple, they was like probably two. Yeah, they left that Saturday, but the other couple they went in their room. They was probably doing something. But yeah, they went back in their room. We had some freaky shit going on in our Airbnb. And it so happened that
yo, it was a drone. Oh my god, I think the owners like flew a drone over to the Airbnb. Like I got so scared. I'm like, oh, I'm going in around. And I was the only person who saw it the first time.
I saw it the first time too. I thought it was an airplane. I was drunk. I'm like, damn, look at the airplane. Then Dada said, y'all don't see that.
Back.
Then it came back, but with no light. Shit.
It came back around and it actually came inside of it, like inside the Airbnb at the top. Like we was like,
bro. We met some cool people. Like
they was from New York.
Yeah. They weren't from New York. They was from Staten Island.
They was from Staten Island, New York, but they wasn't from like, you know, the Times Square, New York, Brooklyn. They was like from Staten Island, New York. Like,
yeah. We got some new lingo.
They be like dead ass.
Yeah.
Or they be like, got that yummy snack.
Yeah, that's how the word. We got some new words and shit like that. Oh, bro. We was learning each other's slang and shit. Like this shit was just so funny.
Proceed to the route.
How everything was just playing out. Like,
yo, I love that.
Proceed to the route.
Whoa.
Proceed.
Could've did the whole process. I don't really want to watch that. Alright, y'all, so we about to do the ATV. I think they gotta demonstrate it to us how to do it. I don't know for sure.
yeah, cause I don't know if you gonna know how to shoot skills. That's if they get out. I bet you ain't even know that ain't how to paddle.
Third gear. DeAndre. Yeah, it is so hot. So hot. Oh my goodness. We taking y'all on the trail with us. We really think it's the cartel. Alright, here he coming back to go, y'all. What's up, YouTube? So we was recording, but it ended up the camera ended up, the battery ended up dying, so couldn't get that much footage. But y'all saw like we had a good view, like a real good view.
We got like little snippets of it, little small videos, pictures. So
it was real nice though.
I really wish the camera ain't died, because that view, like them views
them
that we had,
it was like trees, mountains, flowers. It was like this tree. I wish I was. As soon as I put the camera out, I saw that it was dead. That look, it was like a bamboo palm tree. It was like really nice.
Like it was like a mixture of tree.
Like it was a fake tree. It was really pretty. Right now we're about to go get COVID tested because we were supposed to do that. So I'm trying to get a rapid COVID test. They got one in the airport. You just want to get one in the airport?
Yeah. That can be a little bit more easier. Yeah.
So they got a drive-through though. Appointment required.
Why don't we do the one at the airport?
Alright, well. Then we gotta go now.
We ain't got nowhere else to go.
Yeah, we did all our adventures.
We did everything in Puerto Rico.
Oh, we can have a drink. I can really have a drink. We can do that at the airport too.
I was just about to say that. We can drink at the airport.
Alright, y'all. So we about to just go to the airport. Hey, call it one, call it a day. Puerto Rico has been fun except for that fucking curfew. Fuck that. Excuse my language. But that's the only thing that I don't like about Puerto Rico is that curfew. But other than that, I had fun. You had fun?
I had fun.
I enjoyed your company.
I enjoyed your company. Keep watching, like, comment, and subscribe.
Yes.
And we're gonna see y'all later.
Yes.